Kisah diawali ketika seorang polisi bernama Jackie sedang berbicara dengan seorang informan mengenai lokasi penyimpanan uang kartel dalam jumlah yang sangat besar. Saat Jackie berjalan meninggalkan tempat itu, ia tiba-tiba dikejutkan oleh suara tembakan yang mengarah kepadanya. Dengan cepat, Jackie mengirimkan informasi penting melalui ponselnya sebelum akhirnya tewas.
What was she?
Di kantor kepolisian, seluruh anggota kelompok TNT, Dan, Ro, Numa, Lolo, dan JD diperiksa oleh FBI untuk dimintai keterangan terkait pembunuhan pimpinan mereka, Jackie.
That create conflict? Innuendo to that end, yeah. Cops playing.
When's the last time you guys work you can get right now in the city of Miami? Such fucking Hail Mary.
Di ruang terpisah, JD diinterogasi oleh adiknya sendiri yang merupakan agen FBI untuk menggali hubungan pribadi JD dengan Jackie sebelum insiden tersebut terjadi.
All right, so let us run.
Were you and Captain Velez close?
Was she? Everybody fucking knows you. That double shoulder rig you're wearing there, Wild West.
Dan menemui JD di toilet dan memperingatkannya bahwa FBI mencurigai kelompok TNT terlibat dalam pembunuhan Jackie.
Something to do with it.
You or both. Well, they have no fucking idea.
The guy just got his dick knocked in by the grind, man.
Yank the line. I see what comes to the fucking surface. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's not fair. The sunrise. Maybe that was the whole key to life. It's this kind of judgment that you're a lot of people.
Di luar kantor, para anggota TNT berkumpul dan membahas informasi tentang sebuah rumah yang diduga menjadi tempat penyimpanan uang kartel dalam jumlah besar. Kasus yang tengah diselidiki Jackie sebelum kematiannya.
But small guy.
Get the Red Skull yet? It's the
Southern and blue so they could make their fucking mortgage pay. Crooked cops you socialize with it. Y'all look fucking dirt.
Rest where I'm by now. Oh, yeah? What?
There's fucking snitches in every... Hey, TFOs, let's go. You guys want to make...
Tak lama kemudian, Dan datang membawa kabar bahwa seorang informan mengenai lokasi uang tersebut di daerah Hialeah. Tanpa menunda waktu, seluruh anggota TNT segera menuju lokasi.
Fucking houses will look abandoned.
Well, then it's a protective search.
Boy, Wilbur. Good. There has to be a lot more money inside.
Sesampainya di rumah tersebut, anjing pelacak bernama Wilbur menggonggong ke arah loteng, membuat mereka langsung memeriksanya.
Desiree Lopez Molina. What the fuck, guys?
I knew him go long, Maiko, right?
I'm letting you unleash.
Lie to us right now.
Promise. Don't know, never been. Right now.
Nah, dog alerted to something. Why is this attic so clean?
This place before I started cleaning it up. You know what? I should.
Numa dan Ro ditugaskan menghancurkan dinding loteng, sementara JD dan Dan menginterogasi Desi di lantai bawah.
I actually really
I saw the look on your face. You were shook.
a lot more than I do, right?
Come on, Desi.
All Colombians aren't the same, you know.
We're aware.
All you cops have the same look on your face.
Does actually constitute doing something very seriously.
This is my grandmother's house, remember? More honest life. No bills. Lawyer fees. You're in good intention. For cash. UTGG. What are they?
Keep an eye on her. Don't let her go anywhere.
Ternyata di dalam tong yang ditemukan di loteng terdapat uang kartel dalam jumlah yang sangat besar Menyadari situasi yang sensitif, Dan meminta seluruh anggota menyerahkan ponsel mereka.
I don't want anybody calling out. I want your phones. It's the fucking RIP phone. I want Desi's phone. A fucking purity test. I'm dealing with a fucking situation here. I'm trying to can't do right now. I'm fucking reacting. All right, I'm not worried about that came in. Said 300 grand. Yeah. A lot. It's harder for a bullet to travel through. You count the money at the site of the seizure. That's the fucking seizure right now, man. We gotta fucking count the money here. Our command structure. Not particularly, but you know, we're coloring outside the fucking rip that was out there. I think that's what this is.
I already miss visiting my girls. Can I FaceTime? It's my girls. I need to say goodnight to them.
It
Come
cannot
on.
be helped.
No fix, man. No.
Goddamn it, this is my
scene, but I don't know what the
Thank
fuck
you.
you're doing.
Thank
You're
you.
both making a big mistake.
Hands with them, get them to the garage.
Saat perdebatan terjadi, Ro memberitahu bahwa polisi Hialeah sedang melakukan patroli di luar rumah. JD dan Dan pun menemui polisi tersebut untuk menjelaskan bahwa mereka sedang mengamankan TKP terkait penemuan uang kartel.
Dipshit, right? She assigned. If a Catholic priest assholes knew what was in there, we'd be fucking smoked already.
¿Nosotros o qué?
Me here. Tell me what the fuck is.
Sementara itu, Numa, Lolo, dan Ro memindahkan seluruh uang dari loteng ke garasi untuk dihitung sesuai prosedur kepolisian sebelum meninggalkan lokasi.
You want me to help?
Yeah, just
Se los asustó.
Safety first. What do you...
You guys.
Hey, Lola.
All the containers?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
all.
Fuck. All right, here's what we're gonna do. House will be here for 2 days. So, and that's not marked.
Hours and I do.
Di
Don't
ruang
ask.
tamu, Dan berbicara dengan Desi mengenai besarnya uang kartel yang ditemukan.
Too much. And he stole money. He's a bad guy.
Date? What happened?
Namun, saat JD sedang berbicara dengan Desi, tiba-tiba terdengar dering telepon membuat suasana semakin tegang.
You said about 300,000. Yeah. So why are you telling me it's twice that? Crime scene. I will run it the way I... Okay, I told you what Jackie told me. See the Crime Stopper tip. I want to see the piece of paper. I want to see the tip. Or show me the fucking tip! Why? Why not? Where is it? On your fucking thing? Where is it, man?
To ask, you know. I heard they pretty cool about
I get shot at, spit on.
put a little bit of thought into them thoughts, Lolo.
Fuck them.
Perselisihan dengan Dan membuat JD tidak lagi percaya kepadanya. Ia pun memutuskan meminta bantuan agen DEA bernama Nix untuk mengurus uang kartel tersebut secara resmi.
And what if Dane found out about that? Slowly. Dane's the guy is broke. He's in medical debt. Fuck up your frame of mind.
Fuck!
Fuck. Enemies 10, 20, 30.
Listen, no, I understand. All right. I want to get paid.
Creep up on someone like that. Damn.
On both sides of the street?
Yeah. You hear this bullshit about the cartels buying up there? First, I thought it was like electrical short, but
It's Morse code. I don't know. I'm gonna check out that house.
Tip coming late. House up in Hialeah.
Tak lama kemudian, Ro masuk ke rumah Desi dan diberitahu bahwa Dan berencana membawa kabur seluruh uang kartel.
heard them say this?
Yes. All right. Any fucking person we can trust. All right. You gotta call anybody.
Ro lalu melaporkan kepada Dan bahwa JD sedang menyelidiki sebuah rumah yang mencurigakan, membuat Dan dan yang lain segera menyusul JD ke lokasi. Karena gerak-gerik Ro yang mencurigakan, Dan memerintahkannya untuk kembali membantu Numa dan Lolo menghitung uang.
Why don't you head back to the house?
They're gonna rip the stash. We need to move.
Please give.
We good. Lo, we good?
Saat mereka sedang berkumpul, tiba-tiba listrik padam, disusul dengan suara tembakan membabi buta ke arah mereka.
Should I get him on the radio?
Have a bullet lodged in your fucking body. Please. Wilbur! Please shut the fuck up.
Mike, move! I got the roof! Hey, down! Down! Get the fuck! What does he mean it's not us? It's the guy.
JD keluar bersama anggota kartel dan menjelaskan kepada Dan bahwa mereka bukan pelaku penembakan tersebut. Pihak kartel kemudian menghubungi bos mereka yang ingin berbicara langsung dengan Dan. Sang bos menegaskan bahwa kematian Jackie bukan ulah anak buahnya.
It wasn't them that attacked us. At the end of the day, 20 million's a write-off.
Yeah, boss, I'm good. I'm fine.
Guys, the cartel.
Stop her.
What about the rest? Look, it is that.
¿Qué importa?
Call an SRT, get a retrieval team. So you know, you made it up. Get us out here to steal this fucking now. You part of some fucking asshole corrupt code up, man. It's been weird ever since. I'm lying in the cut with that fucking pick a lane, Dave. Either I'm mobbed up with the fucking cops or now. So when we're all getting deposed, you remember.
Perdebatan sengit pun terjadi antara Dan dan JD yang saling tuduh-menuduh satu sama lain.
Come on. The fuck did I just say? When the fuck did you hear the word?
Fucking overtime.
Fuck.
Listen, I've got an armored lane.
Listen, I had a burner.
Got it.
All right, Logan. Don't answer it.
Akhirnya JD, Dan, dan Ro serta Nix pergi menggunakan mobil lapis baja milik Nix untuk mengangkut uang kartel.
Hey, no. You were staying on site.
What the fuck's wrong with you two?
So that's it? You was gonna burn us?
Di perjalanan, Dan bertanya kepada Nix, kemana mereka akan membawa seluruh uang itu. Ia juga mulai mencurigai Ro sebagai informan pihak lain, karena tingkah lakunya yang aneh.
Hello, Major. This is.
She told me that you were planning on boosting that money with
Something I gotta run by you. All right. I wanna get paid.
Dan menjelaskan bahwa setiap anggota diberitahu kode jumlah uang yang berbeda dan angka 150.000 hanya diberikan kepada Ro.
150K. 150.
33 on me.
What's this one?
What that is?
Well, that's strange because that's the burner.
Guys, what are we doing here?
What are
It
you?
becomes real hard to keep those timelines. Truth be told, it is a fucking. Want to tell me? There never was any crime. Jackie sent this. Get everybody to believe I'd actually steal the money. Heist teams. I think she with them. I had you from the second I heard on. Why haven't we heard any?
Us. Airtight, low key. I'm home. Again, no approvals.
You who called the house and shot it up. Last chance, man. Make it.
Saat Ro menelpon nomor tak dikenal, ponsel Nick tiba-tiba berdering, membuat situasi semakin kacau.
We're fucking made.
See. Where am I going?
This is fucking more money than fuck. Touch that gun and I will kill you, JD. Road killer.
Just got into position.
Tak lama kemudian, FBI mengepung mobil mereka. Nix dan Ro mencoba melarikan diri sambil membawa uang kartel.
Let's think about
Agent Nix, how would you like this to go?
Race of a Miami police captain.
it's moving fast.
Setelah pengejaran panjang, Ro memutuskan menyerahkan diri. Namun Nick terpaksa ditembak mati oleh JD karena mencoba melawan.
Yeah.
You have verbal confirmation? The Dumars. You have written confirmation of your count? To the dollar. Pump it up. Roger that.
Setelah uang dihitung dan jumlahnya sesuai, mereka akhirnya memutuskan pulang untuk beristirahat.
Mama to get home, I gotta go. Fuck, you ain't heard. DJ's putting us in Uber. Uber Black.
Percent of that rip is $4 million. Yeah. Congratulations, Del.
You want a hug?
Yeah, I'm hug.
No, I'm not hugging you. You're a fucking asshole, you know that? I'm gonna stop by Mom's later for a cup of coffee, just so you know.
Spend it all in one place.
Thanks.
You know I'd tell Ro everything, didn't you?
Shit, she got us to you.
Want to know what they mean? What my son said to me. Last thing I said to my son. He's 10 years old, Jake. Stay the fuck out of trouble. Great work today, man.